In this video, I'm going to show you how to see through the history of the anonymous mode setting that you have set up in Facebook groups. First, you want to click on these three dots here, then click activity log, and then you want to click your Facebook activity, and then scroll down. Once you see groups, click on that. Then you want to click see more, go down, and then click anonymous mode setting. And in this section you should be able to see all of the history you had with the anonymous mode setting if you had set it up in Facebook groups. So you could even see and filter by date over here. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.